We got so many varieties of eggplants. They are different colors and different shape, from round to oblong to globe to, and the plant is almost nearly identical, but the fruits are different, and they are very good. We cook in a 7 different way the eggplant, including the white curry, red curry, spicy gravy, and sambal, fried and grill, and many more. So many ways you can use the eggplant. This is the one of the beauty there. You see it. This is another great Asian type eggplant. They look very, very fantastic. And I love eggplant. I love the eggplant curry, eggplant sambal, eggplant gravy. I have written what they are in an order, and I will include that in the description. Please follow the description to see and look at that white beauty. Yeah, that's the very, very white color one. Very beauty, very nice. Oh yeah, here come. This is the Thai eggplant, the greeny and star-like, round, golf ball size. This is again another purple one. Purple ones people love it, and they are very good one. And this is another different variety of the white eggplant. The white eggplants are also nutritious wise. They all good. They are all tasty when you cook it, and you can use it for different culinary purposes. This is the white clove type eggplant. So depending on what you want to use it for, you can get any eggplant. This is the Filipino eggplant. Very long, very thin, very sweety, very nice. Enjoy.